Okay, so share ko sa inyo to guys, no. So ngayong araw guys ay meron tayong phone device dito guys, no. So itong phone device nito guys ay Realme C11 guys, no. So meron siyang pattern guys, no. So tignan natin guys. Yan. So ito guys yung pattern niya guys, hindi natin maulaan guys, no. Yan. So hindi natin maulaan guys yung pattern nito guys. So ngayon guys ay tuturo ko sa inyo guys, no, kung paano natin guys i-remove guys yung pattern na ito guys. So kapag meron naman kayong ano guys, laptop or PC guys, so pwede niyo siyang gamitan guys ng unlock tools niyo guys, no. So kapag wala naman guys ay ito imano-mano na lang natin ito guys gawa guys, no. So simulan natin guys. Yan. So na natin gagawin dito guys sa phone device nito guys ay i-off muna natin guys yung phone device nito. Yan. So wait lang guys, no. So off lang natin guys. Yan. So off natin. So akala ko hindi siya ma-off guys, no. Akala ko require yung password. So okay naman pala siya guys. So na-off rin natin siya. So ngayon guys, yung gagawin natin dito guys ay i-factory reset natin guys o i-hard reset natin guys, no. Kasi kapag dadalhin natin guys sa phone technician guys, so babayad pa rin tayo guys. Kung meron naman kayong laptop or computer guys ay pwede nyo siyang i-unlock tool guys, no. So dahil wala tayong ganun guys ay mano-mano na lang natin guys. Kung sakali man guys magkaroon nito guys ng Google security guys ay i-mano-mano rin natin guys, no. So maswerte tayo guys kapag walang Google security ito guys or walang Google account na naka login dito guys sa phone device nito guys. Yan. So simulan natin guys. So ang gagawin lang natin guys ay i-hold lang natin guys ng sabay ito guys yung power switch tsaka yung volume up na ito guys ay yung volume down nito guys, no. Volume down tapos power switch nito. Yan. So ganito lang siya guys, no. Ganyan lang siya. Pagsabay lang natin guys. So hindi natin isama guys yung volume up guys, no. So volume down tsaka power switch guys. So papakita ko sa inyo guys, no. So simulan natin. So 1 2 3 pagsabay natin hold lang natin. Yan. So kapag lumabas guys yung logo guys ay bitawan na natin guys. Yan. So try natin guys kapag lalabas guys yung recovery guys, no. Yan. So kung makita nyo guys ay Chinese nakalagay. So piliin natin guys yung English para mas maintindihan natin. So click natin guys yung English. Yan. So kung makita nyo guys Realme UI recovery. Yan. Kung makita nyo guys ay pangatlo yung wipe data guys. So pwede nyo siyang i-touch guys or pwede kayo gumamit ng command dito guys, no. Yan, ito yung command natin guys, volume up, tsaka down. Kapag mag-select naman kayo guys, or select or okay, ito guys yung power switch nito guys, no. Yan. So ngayon guys, ang gagawin natin nga guys, para ma-remove guys yung password na yun guys, ay kailangan natin guys i-wipe data guys, or factory reset guys, no. So papakita ko sa inyo guys, so piliin natin guys yung wipe data. So pagka-select natin guys ng wipe data guys, ay ito yung lalabas guys, no. Sabi nila dito guys, please enter verification code. 6489. So ito guys yung ita-type natin guys, yung ibibigay sa atin guys na code para ma-verify guys na tayo yung mag-wipe data guys ng device na ito guys. So ilagay lang natin guys 6489. Yan. So kung makita niyo guys format data guys. So i-select lang natin guys yung format data. So pwede nating i-touch or pwede tayo gumamit ng command dito guys. So try natin touch guys, no. Yan. So kung makita niyo guys format data, all user data will be reset. So click lang natin guys yung format guys, no. So take note pala guys, no, kapag i-format natin guys ay lahat ng mga files dito guys ay mabubura guys, no. Pati yung password, lahat guys, no, lahat ng nakalagay sa phone device natin guys ay buburahin guys, no. Kumbaga format siya guys para matanggalin natin guys yung password yan guys. So wala tayong choice guys, no, kaya kailangan talaga nating i-format ito guys. So hindi na rin kasi natin guys alam guys yung password guys, no, kaya no choice tayo guys, kaya formatan natin guys. Okay? So try natin guys format guys, no. So wiping, please wait, do not perform any other operations. So ayan lang natin guys, no. So pagkatapos ng loading yan guys ay automatic magre-reboot din siya guys, no. So wait natin guys. So gin-charge ko siya guys, no, kasi ano siya guys, kanina guys lobat siya. Kaya gin-charge ko para sigurado guys kapag mag-format tayo guys ay walang issue guys, no. So antayin lang natin guys. So wipe successfully. Click lang natin guys yung okay, magre-reboot yan siya guys. Yan. So automatic nagre-reboot siya guys, no. So antayin na lang natin guys. So medyo matagal-tagal ito guys, no. umabot siguro to guys ng mga 2 hours yung ganitong ano niya. 1 hour to 2 hours guys, no. So depende sa starting guys or process guys ng Pundi base natin guys, no. So antayin na lang natin guys hanggang sa lalabas guys yung get started guys. Okay? So wait lang natin guys. So yan siya guys, no. So okay na siya guys. So ito guys, select a language guys. So English United States lang tayo. Yan, so click natin guys yung next. So next lang natin. So select region guys, hanapin lang natin guys Philippines. Yan, so click natin guys yung Philippines na yan. Tapos click lang natin guys yung next. Yan, terms of service guys, no. So next lang natin guys. So mabilis naman tayo magbasa. I have read and agreed the terms above. So click natin next. So sana guys ay walang ano guys, no. So sana walang Google security guys, no. So click natin guys yung skip. So next lang natin. So accept natin guys. Google service. Yan. So later guys, click lang natin set lock screen password. So later lang guys, no. So click natin later. Recommended. Next natin. Import data. Later na lang. Skip natin guys. So yan siya guys, no. So successful tayo guys. So wala siyang Google security guys, no. So maswerte na naman tayo guys dahil hindi tayo mag-FRP guys, no. So try natin guys get started guys. So kung kasi nakaraan guys ay nag-ano rin tayo guys, nag hard reset rin tayo guys ng Realme C15 guys. So ngayon guys C11 naman ito guys, no. So try nga natin. So okay siya guys, no. Good siya guys. So settings niya. So C11 ito siya guys, no. Nakaraan guys ay C15. About phone. Yan, so Realme C15 guys, ay Realme C11 guys, no. So ganun lang kadali guys, no, kung paano natin guys matanggal guys yung password guys, no. Kung sakali naman guys na magkaroon guys ng Google security, so mano-mano rin natin guys FRP guys, no. So I hope guys na makatulong sa atin itong video tutorial natin. Sa mga bago pa lang sa ating channel guys, no, wag nating kalimutan guys i-click guys yung subscribe at yung notification bell button para ma-update ko kayo guys sa susunod nating video tutorial. Thank you guys and God bless sa lahat.